Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate language learning with Tandem, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Tandem app from your device's app store. Open the app and create your account using your email or a social media login. Once registered, fill out your profile with relevant details such as your native language and the language you wish to learn. Specify your learning goals in the profile settings to attract suitable conversation partners. Navigate to the Discover section to start searching for language partners. Utilize the filters to refine your search based on language, interests, and availability. Select a potential partner from the list and review their profile to ensure compatibility. Send a message to your chosen partner to introduce yourself and express your learning interest. Engage in a real-time chat or schedule a video call for practice. Use the text correction feature during conversations to receive feedback on your language use. Take advantage of the voice messaging option to practice pronunciation. Regularly schedule language exchange sessions to establish a consistent learning routine. Join groups related to your target language for additional practice and support. Explore the Tandem community features to ask questions and share resources. Make a list of vocabulary and phrases encountered during conversations for future study. Set reminders for daily practice sessions to incorporate language learning into your routine. Utilize Tandem's language learning resources, such as articles and podcasts, for supplementary learning. Evaluate your progress periodically to adjust your learning strategies and goals. Stay patient and consistent, as language learning is a gradual process. Celebrate small achievements to keep your motivation high throughout the journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.